Hi and welcome to my guide on how to find service parts on the Trek Bikes website. This guide will go through how to find a service part for a bike or for a component. This video is specifically showing a wheel component, but this applies to all of the parts and all of the bicycles that Trek or Bontrager make. Because I get asked all the time on service parts or where to find or what is compatible, I thought I'd just make a quick video and show you how easy it is to find these parts. And fortunately, the Trek Bikes website is really good. So you'll be able to find all your parts, get a part number, and either purchase it from the Trek Bikes website or go into your local Trek Bikes retailer and you'll be able to find that component or an upgrade, and away you go. Once you're on the Trek Bike website, work out what equipment or product you're after. Here we're going to look at wheels, specifically the RSL 51 Aeolus carbon wheel. Once you're on the product page, go to service in the middle of the page. You'll find the reference sheets, the manuals, service guides. Here we see the Aeolus RSL 51 rear wheel manual. Once you click on this, you'll reach a PDF document. This will have an exploded diagram, all labelled with numbers of parts. Then you'll be able to use that number label, reference it on the far left hand side for the diagram number, look at your part number, double check the description. There you have it. You now know what part you require, and then you'll be able to either take it into the store or you'll be able to purchase it from the Trek Bikes website. All you do, copy and paste the part number, triple check the description. Here we have the Ratchet EXP, free hub body. We can go to Shimano 11-speed, SRAM XDR driver body, even a Campag if you like. We're going to choose a EXP driver just to check what's available. And here we go. That's the 11-speed Shimano road driver body. We can see that this particular item is not in stock. However, we can search that product number now and call a store or find it on the Trek Bikes website at a later date. Hopefully that helps you out by finding Trek parts on the Trek Bikes website. Thanks. Happy riding.